Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube password on phone. So I will show the step-by-step process of changing YouTube password. So if you want to change your YouTube password on phone, then keep watching the video till the end. So first of all, you have to go your YouTube profile, YouTube channel using web browser. So I'm selecting Google Chrome as my web browser. After coming here, I'm going to youtube.com. After that, at the right top corner, you will see three dot option. If you click that three dot option, you will get the desktop site option here. So we have to go to desktop site, desktop view, but desktop mode, because we can change YouTube password only by using desktop mode. So I'm selecting desktop site here. Then I'm able to see my YouTube channel by YouTube profile by desktop mode. Okay, after coming the desktop mode, you have to, if you wish, you can zoom. So after that, basically you have to click on your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then you will get the settings option. So after that, you have to click on settings. Then you can see the Google account option will come. So from here, you have to click on view or change your Google account settings. Then you have to click on personal info. Normally in personal info option, the password option should come, but if it not come, then you have to refresh and try different way. So if refresh, and if you click on find more, then Google account. So in this way, after re-going to Google account, if you click on the personal info, in that case you will see that the password option come in the personal info option. So after that, you have to click on password. Then to continue, first verify that it's you. That's why you have to give your password to verify that this is your account. Then you have to click on next. Then it's verified that it's your account. Then this option, password changing option, will come. Here you can see the new password and confirm password option. So first of all, you have to give the new password, then you have to confirm that password. So after giving the new and confirm password, you just have to click on change password. In this way, you can change your YouTube password on phone. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.